Hey, Dr. Friedrichs here with WellConsulted. And if you are interested in losing weight forever, not just a one-time diet, improving your gut microbiome, because your gut microbiome essentially runs and directs the whole ship. If you're looking for less sugar cravings, if you're just tired of being grumpy and tired of being not having the enthusiasm for life and tired of just not having lots of joy and too much stress in your life and wondering why you eat an M&M and you gain a pound and you're just having trouble managing anxiety, trouble managing stress, trouble with inflammatory conditions, whether it's rheumatoid arthritis or whether it's bloating or gut disturbances or constipation or inability to sleep, cognitive fog, lack of energy. If you're one of those people that are struggling with some of those conditions or some of those symptoms, I encourage you to consider the wellness program that we offer at WellConsulted. It's a functional medicine approach to identifying what's causing these symptoms and then correcting the cause of the symptom, not simply finding out the symptom and giving you a drug to cover up that symptom. So if you're looking to find out the actual cause of what's going on with certain health conditions, and most everything is a result of what? Inflammatory responses internally, starts in the gut, goes everywhere to the body. This is what this program helps do. So it's a 3-month program that will change your life indefinitely. It's not a 3-month diet. It's a detailed assessment, evaluation of subjective symptoms and objective information that's gathered, put into one, and then we identify what's wrong, we identify the causes, and we start to clear them out. And over the course of 3 months, and then potentially longer, depending on the severity of these conditions, it will change your life for the good. So if you're looking for wellness and a life extended of health, then please purchase this product, purchase this program, I should say. And I am here to help you. I am on a mission. My team is on a mission with me. We are here to help, guide, and direct the ship that will take you to a life of wellness. I look forward to meeting you one day. For sure, join our wellness group if you haven't already on Facebook. But in addition to that, if you're ready to take the next step to achieving health and wellness forever, managing your metabolism, managing your weight, managing your gut efficiently and healthy, holistically, this is the answer in my mind. I look forward to meeting you. Have a fabulous day.